Okay, here's my still life that I'm looking at, and here's my drawing. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of sketching. So we're still doing contour line drawings, but instead of doing continuous where you put your pencil down and you move your line without lifting your pencil, now you can start to move and erase. So I kind of do little short strokes, and then if I need to erase something, this is my kneaded eraser, I can make it into points, and so I can easily erase that pencil down to a clean pencil line. So I think I made my rope just a little too fat, so I'm going to narrow it up just a little bit. It's better. And you can see that I'm still drawing the outside edges of the lines, but I'm drawing them with small strokes instead of one long stroke. So I can do it a little more carefully and a little more accurately. I mostly just got my rope a little too fat, so I'm going to make it a little more narrow here. Change it up a little bit. Clean my line up. So all the objects, and again I have 3 objects, 1, 2, and the rope is my third, and the rope is my soft object. So you can see I'm not just doing a long continuous line, I'm doing kind of shorter strokes to build my line instead. So, and I turn my hand to get the best angle. So there's the outside edge of that rope. Also, once you start shading, if you don't want to smear this, make sure you put another piece of paper down and you put your hand on top of that paper like this, so then you won't smear anything you've already shaded, which I guess I could do right now. So I'm just trying to get the shape of the rope. I'm also paying attention on my still life to like where this rope ends compared to the end of this object. Actually, it might be out just a little bit further, so I'm gonna, no, that looks pretty good. Well, maybe a little further. So I'm gonna erase this end, and I'm gonna bring this out just a little bit further. So I'm getting kind of accurate relationships between objects where they look like they're overlapping. And then this is kind of curving up here because it's a little bit raised off the surface. I'm going to connect that back up. So I start with a light line, just kind of getting placement, and then I go back in with a little bit of a darker line and a cleaner line to get everything the right position. A little bit on proportions, but we're not going to focus that much on this drawing. And then I would go back in. First I'm just getting one side of the rope, and then I would go back in and get the other side of the rope. So I get all the positions of everything. I will probably do this, which I already have partially shaded with pencil. And again, when I'm shading, I'm using the side of my pencil. I don't ever draw with my pencil straight down. Usually I have it at an angle. I also don't hold it way up here like I'm writing. I hold my pencil further back, and sometimes when I'm shading, I even hold my pencil like this. So I'm getting a variety, and I'm layering the pencil over each other.